Something a lot of people don't realize is that you may not be able to sue your doctor or a hospital that you're at because they're considered the state of Texas. It's not what you think of when you go to the doctor, but what we've seen is more hospitals and doctors are becoming affiliated with groups that are under the state of Texas. Now, these doctors are listed as public servants, but a lot of them live in very nice areas, drive very nice cars, take private insurance. But because they wear the logo, in one example of UT Physicians, they are protected in a way that most patients don't understand. They are considered the state of Texas for all intents and purposes, and they have sovereign immunity. What that means is that the government gets to tell you what you can sue them for and for how much. If it is a state of Texas entity or government entities, such as any of the UT facilities, A&M facilities, any of the public, Texas Tech, any of those, they have an absolute cap of $250,000. It doesn't matter whether you got millions in lost wages and millions in medical expenses and going to need medical care the rest of your life. The most you can recover is $250,000. If it's a county healthcare provider through some county hospital district or other program, it's a $100,000 cap. Total. Doesn't matter what your level of damages are. And I'm not saying that all UT physicians are bad or that you shouldn't go to them. It's just something that you should be aware of. When my youngest daughter was 2 weeks old, she needed surgery on her belly. That was done by a UT physician. I knew going into it what the limits of liability were because I had been doing medical malpractice for 8 or 9 years by that point. So was well aware, but this guy was good. And I trusted him with my daughter's life. So it's not saying that the government doctors are bad. There's plenty of good ones. It's mainly the ones that want to work for the government because they don't have to carry liability insurance are the ones you got to worry about.